Hey. What's happening, guys? I want to do a real quick live before the Lynn and Ron show starts in approximately 14 minutes. Just a quick live I want to explain. I wanted to get on here at a later time today. You've seen our 360 we did. I had a lot of questions that were asked to me by founders and non-founders. I want to let you know what happened. I had the privilege and the honor with 19 and 20 other people to go down to Boston and celebrate a history-making event with Ash Mafara himself, which was totally amazing. And when a lot of people are saying, "Oh, did it launch? Did it launch?" What that was Onpassive now owns 2 floors in the tallest building in the world in Dubai, this is something Ash talked about a few months ago, that he said he's going to have offices in every high-tech city. To get in, not only did he get 2 floors, 151 and 134, he bought them. He owned those floors. He also spent 1 year to do what he did with the total light up of Onpassive on that building. Pretty amazing stuff. So we have not launched yet. This was the spark to letting everyone know what's going on. So all those questions that you're answering me, I'm trying to do this live to make sure you get the right information. This is the spark of Onpassive. Coming into the launch, you can say. There's a few more events that are being scheduled. Not sure where they're going to be. As soon as we find out, we'll let everyone know. And it's really, really exciting. But I just want to do this at a later time also for all my friends and family who think I'm been crazy for doing this. And now you understand why that I did this. To get into that building is near next to impossible. And Ash pulled that off to the world. That's going around 24 hours. Pretty much the entire city of Dubai is lit up with Onpassive signs, billboards everywhere. The mall, the ice rink, the biggest screen in the world is lit up with Onpassive. I just shared those photos on my Facebook, but I want to let you know, to all those people that are founders, maybe you're a little shy to do a live or make a post because you think you're going to get a lot of negative people, and you do, but that's okay. Now's the time to get out and talk about it. Now is the time to start sharing with your family. Let them know what's happening, because to have 2 major floors in the tallest building in the world, one of the most elaborate cities in the world, next to impossible to do, he did it. He pulled it off, and there was 20 of us there was over 300,000 people that witnessed this just on YouTubes and Zooms. Probably a lot more, and the numbers are still climbing. So that was put out to the world, and we're inviting each and every one of you who had to feel it, touch it, see it, to get back with us. Anyone that shares this live, and I hope you do, get back to that person and ask him to send you an invite link. We heard this I've heard it for the last year and a half. Chris, you're just giving $97 to some guy who's becoming a multi-billionaire. Well, you understand the $97 is being used for marketing and advertising. That was our first huge advertising, okay? To light up the Onpassive logo, our sayings, Ash Mafara on that building. And if you haven't seen it yet, you can Google it, or you can go on my Facebook and look at all the beautiful pictures and videos people took. There was tons of people below taking pictures. A lot of these people were the staff of Onpassive that are going to be working out of Dubai. Very, very exciting. Mohammed Kamal, he was basically a secret in charge. He was a secret. We all know Mohammed. We know what a great guy he is, but he was one of the people that pulled this off with Ash Mafara, and we're so very appreciative. So just to let you know, Onpassive is real, all right? I don't know how else to show you, but look at that, okay? I can't even imagine what it costs to do something like that. But check it out on my Facebook. Look at the videos, okay? But this is not the official launch of Onpassive. This was just letting you know we now have an office in Dubai, just like Ash Mafara said it would be, and for more cities to come, high-tech cities all over the world. That's what I've been trying to tell you guys. Global company, the greatest giving company in the world. We're going to change the world completely with Obless. I've had many calls about how do I become an angel. You can go in the back office under updates. Julie's got a form on there. Fill that out. You are now an angel. If you're a founder, you're already an angel. Got about 9 minutes before the Ron Hobart and Lynn Nakamoto Friday Night Live starts. Asking you to join on there, the tech team. And I believe the guest speaker is Jeffrey Morlock, who I had the privilege of sitting down and breaking bread with the last couple days. I am still tired. You can hear it in my voice, but I'm very excited. I'm excited because I want to change your life. That's the whole truth. If you really understood how big this is, I wish you would have joined in a year and a half ago, but I did join a lot of people, especially my frappers where I retired from, Ford Motor Company, still signing you up. I'm asking, listen, check it out for yourself. Get on the internet, Google Onpassive in Dubai, and you're going to be totally blown away. If that doesn't let you know what's happening, I don't know what else to do for you. But I will not waste my time with negative people. But I do know this. When we launch to the world, everyone's welcome because you can be a reseller. But for now, I suggest you get in and ask questions about it. Check out with anyone that shares this or people you even know that's doing Onpassive now, and ask them all about Onpassive because you'll truly be blown away. And you really don't have to do anything. I chose to do what I do because I believed in this, and I really want to help people change their lives. Totally, and Bless, oh Bless, is going to blow America, the United States, the world, every country, every city, every neighborhood away, because you're going to have 1,200,000 people to start to get Oh Bless going. That's building houses for the homeless, that's educating, that's helping people with disorders, whether it's drug, alcohol, or mental illness. We're going to try to fix every single thing out there. Why? Because no one else has ever done it. No one company has ever done this. Ash Mafara, this was his plan. He doesn't care about wealth, folks. I can witness to that. He takes care of everyone. Everyone in this family right now, he really does consider family. There's nothing bad about that guy. I witnessed firsthand by meeting him this past couple days, along with 19 other people. We were all blown away by this man. Unbelievable. But Onpassive is real, okay? The spark is ignited. We're not going to stop. And when this thing launches and you're not in it, man, I think you're going to have a little regret there, a lot of regret. But check it out. You can also go to onpassive.com, check that out, read about our products. We have physical products, lots and lots of things. But to answer all your questions and all the people that text me today, no, the official launch is not on yet. This is the spark of it. All right, more to come. Stay tuned, pay attention. And in 6 minutes, I got to get on there. Lynn and Ron will be starting. I will share that on my Facebook. Let's do this. That'll be streamed to the world again. Keep plugging away, guys. I love every one of you. Let me see real quick. I'll say some highs, and then I got to go. Jonna, how you doing? MK Kelly. Julie, when? What's happening? And I will say Julie and Milo show tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Thank you, Julie, for seeing your name there. That Saturday, we'll be talking about some of our stories we experienced in Boston. Boston, beautiful city, man, beautiful city. Marcianne, how you doing? Elsie Patch, Juanita, Michael. Walt, where's Walt? You jumped on me, Walt. Beth Ann Nolan, get those frappers, Beth. Change their lives. I know your work schedule. It sucks. Layoffs, let some work. Get rid of the layoffs. Join Onpassive and fly high with us. Tabitha, how you doing? Pam Turner, how you doing? Ooh, I'm jumping all over there. There it is. Walt McLaren, how you doing? A proud founder. Jonna, how you doing? Ooh, who am I missing? If I missed you, I'll get you in the comments. But we got to get on the Ron and Lynn show. Let's do this. Tracy Gear. John, how you doing? From Australia. David Switzer, great live today, Dave. I shared away, brother. I love you. Della K, what's happening? My beautiful sister, another one. All right, you're all beautiful to me. Keep doing this. Don't stop. The proof is in the pudding, baby. Go Google Dubai and Onpassive and watch what you're seeing. It's worldwide, folks. Non-stop. Ash Mafara, from the bottom of my heart, from the Johnsons, thank you. It was an honor and privilege to represent as one of the founders with many, and I was able to speak, and it wasn't easy to do, but we did it, and we pulled it off, and my God, to the top, baby, to the top. All right, I gotta go. Make sure you get on Ron and Lynn. I will share that link right after this live. I love you all, It's here. See y'all later. Bill Musk, you're probably sleeping. You got work to do, Bill. All right. Bye. Oh, real quick. Next Wednesday on Onpassive 360, our special guest is Muhammad Kamal. You don't want to miss it. We'll talk about that more next week. I love every one of you. Let's do this, guys. See you later.